Today we're going to explore the HOF H65E. Incredible, unmatched electric performance. Yes, you heard that right. This car is electric. Let's get into today's video. My name is Abby, I'm the brand director here at Approved Automotive. Today we're going to focus on the HOF H65E, which is an incredible electric car that just doesn't look electric, to be honest. But before we get into today's video, we're going to talk about who we are at Approved Automotive. So we have two businesses here at Approved Automotive. Don't mind the Roma coming in behind you. You can check out the recent video we did on that one last week. And we are currently in Approved showroom. So in Approved showroom, we have over 200 vehicles for sale. Premium luxury that we focus on, a lot of Mercedes. Actually, we have almost 100 Mercedes at any one time. Audi, BMW, Porsche, Land Rover, you name it, we have absolutely everything. You can check out our website and see what we have for sale there. And then our second business is Approved Detailing. So we are the Middle East's largest Expel facility, and we're just in the back there. We just have a separate facility for there. So we're focusing on PPF, window tint, coloured PPF, you name it. We're also building a third facility which will drop in there, and you can see and carry on and watch us and see how that progresses over the next few months, because it's very, very exciting. But back to the HOF. Would you believe it? This is one of just 10 units worldwide, and we are so honoured to have it here at Approved Automotive. We actually have a full lineup of HOF currently, which you can check out our review videos of. We have the HOF 4 and the HOF 722 there, and we even had a C-Class, which is absolutely insane as well. So first things first, let's talk about this absolutely outrageous design on the car. And you might be thinking that this is a wrap. It is not, it is paint. So can you imagine the absolute artistry that went into this? This is multi-urban tone camo, and you will see that it takes over the entire car. You can also see, if you come round to the front, I mean, just look at that wide body there. You also have these two dual orange stripes that go up the car as well, which carries on to the theming of the inside of the car as well. And then you have these absolutely huge 24-inch wheels, and then orange calipers again there as well to give that flash of colour and just that little bit more of pizzazz for the car when you see it on the road. So you have the HOF branding there, you have the nice bright orange H65 electric badge. You've even got lots of carbon elements there, including around the iconic G indicator lights there as well. And then let's move on around to the inside. By the way, they're out because we just opened the door, but this has deployable side steps as well. And of course, one big thing, because you wouldn't necessarily see this car from a distance and think that it's an electric car, you haven't got any of the pipes there that you have on a G63. But it makes it look nice and clean and just absolutely beastly. I think this car would be very, very capable in the desert and also in the snow as well. Now onto the inside, this is leather. So in a G63, you often have a lot of Alcantara. There's absolutely none of that here. It's all leather, even again, the camo print there, and of course carbon fiber. But if you just check it out, you're going to see the design of the camo is absolutely everywhere. Look at that. Should we get inside? To show you the back here, even the design is carried through all the way into the back. And if you could smell this leather, well, it's a very, very nice smell. Let me shut it here. So you can see there is also no tyre cover on the back. You've replaced by the HOF branding there as well. And no pun intended, I think this camouflage really hides the fact that this is an electric car. So remember, there is only 10 of these units worldwide. And when this one was launched, if you come inside, HOF also mentioned that they did the stitching here, which they now lovingly call the HOF stitch, and they will be using it on future models as well. Nice fun fact for you there. let's open the hood of this electric car. Let's see if I can do it the first time. There we go. Wow, what a view. But if you are genuinely interested in the electric G in general, then you can watch our full video about this electric G here, which, by the way, you can learn all about what is a G-turn. So what's your thoughts on this very cool, very beastly HOF H65 electric? Let us know in the comments. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to give this a proper G-slam because it didn't work. See you next time. Bye!